all of these people out there, and I'm just going to tell it like it is because I'm a paid coach. Okay. People pay me to coach them in sales, not to be their friend. So as a
Right.
coach, I say it like it is. And all these people out there are like, you don't understand. You didn't grow up with my skin color or in my neighborhood. And having this victim mindset. Here's what they don't realize. Every coin has two sides to it. And the flip side of that coin is all of those things that are working against you. If you use them properly, you can use them to your advantage. You don't think when I reached out to people that were high net worth individuals as a broke kid that they weren't immediately like, wow, here is a broke kid that's
Yeah.
interested in what I have to say. It's the exact opposite of what people think. Like rich people are mean. Bullshit, right? You just got to stop trying to hustle them. You got to stop trying to steal from them. You got to stop trying to rip them off. And you got to knock on their door and say, hey, listen, here's my situation. I love your car. I love your house. I want to be where you're at. Is there any way you can share some of your ideas with me? I don't have any money to pay you, but I will pick up your trash. I'll pick up your poop. I'll shovel your snow. I'll pull your weeds. Maybe 4 out of 10 people are going to reject you on that one. And by the way, these people that are like, oh, well, you don't understand my circumstances. Good. The worse your circumstances are, the better that little monologue sells, right? You know, the better that monologue sells. If you're like, dude, I had to take a bus here from the housing projects, you don't think you're going to, at least out of 10 people, you're not going to run into one of them that's like, listen, little dude, or listen, little dudette, I'm impressed, right? Class starts today. Okay, go sweep up my driveway and then come in here and we're going to talk about how you're going to interview for your first job and what type of job I want you to get. Okay, I don't want you in the back of the restaurant washing dishes. I want you to be a bus boy or a bus girl. Same pay, less nastiness, and you get to get in front of people. Okay? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Anytime anybody says anything. These are the things that are going to put you in the right direction. And if you keep your shirt tucked in, even at 14 years old as a busser, there's going to be people that are going to go, hey, what's that girl's name? Jenny. Jenny, hey, we're having a Christmas party at my place. Would you mind working the event? These are the things that people on the inside that can communicate these to other people figure out all day, right? And these are the things that I learned because I had the guts to ask.